Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike York. Today is Monday, November 4th. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend here. We do got one item here on the economic calendar, and this week will be kind of light for the most part. This week we'll have a bunch of, since the FOMC had the meeting last week, now they'll get back in the tours and give their speaking engagements. So we'll see a lot of Fed speak this week, including today. Today, however, we do got the factory orders for the month of September. Tomorrow will probably be probably the biggest this week, with that will be the ISM services industry. It'll give us kind of an outlook to see how the services industry is faring. And lately, things have been pulling back in both manufacturing as well as services. So it'll be interesting to see what comes up with them. So in August, in the factory orders, it dropped 0.1%. Forecast kind for 0.4%. However, it did drop a bit more down to 0.6%. So factory orders, as you can see, we have been seeing a dip in manufacturing. Factory orders, as you can see, is contracting a bit further here, as we can see, and hopefully we'll see a correction here, which we'll touch on here in a minute. Stocks are up, and right now with the corporate earnings reports that are coming out so far, about a little over 75% of them have been exceeding expectations now. So obviously a good sign since I think 1994 they said we've been averaging about 65%. So it's above average right now, which is obviously a good sign that things are still doing fairly well. Today, the big thing today is there's kind of an announcement that they plan to be signing the phase one of the trade with China, between the U.S. and China. They're looking at places to sign an agreement. They initially were going to meet on the 9th in Chile, and due to riots down there, it wasn't safe, so they canceled that event, and now are looking for another location to go ahead and hold those talks. Now, there isn't a full long term. It is basically this will eliminate the tariffs that are going to be implemented on December 15th, so they're not going to go ahead and do that. This will involve a few things, but obviously there's more to be done, and that's what they're looking forward to. But investors are excited. They like to see that there's progress being made. This will help out farmers with the soybean industry, as China will be accumulating more. This will also help in the financial services industry as well, open up more with China. Again, like I reiterated before, there'll be Fed members out speaking this week, including today out there. And let's kind of move along. Mortgage-backed securities are down actually for the day so far. We're down by 11 basis points. It's testing its 100-day moving average. As you saw last week, since that Fed announcement, we spiked up quite a bit and now kind of pulled back. We got a lot of room between the Fibonacci and the 100-day moving average. So right now we're just above the 100-day moving average here, or 50-day moving average rather. Excuse me about that, my mistake. So we're just seeing above the 100-day moving average, and again, we're down by 11 basis points. Not quite enough for a price change yet. So, but if this continues dropping further, you could see deterioration in the mortgage rates today. But again, we'll kind of keep our eyes on this. Treasuries, we're up a bit right now. We're hanging right at this line at the 1.779 level here. Fibonacci is trying to break it. As you can see, it's been a very tough, and it seems to be drawn there. So we've had a few days where it was past it and then come right back down. So as you can see here, for the month of October, we were trying to break above it, broke above it, and came right back down again. So it's been pretty tough for it to really kind of, break above it or even stay above it. So here's yields are right now right up at 1.779, currently up about 5 points. All right, so rates are about the same as where we left off on Friday, and that's pretty much a wrap. If you guys are in California looking to buy a refinance, I'd love to hear from you guys. Certainly will help my business. The best way to reach me is direct message me or email me. We do got a lot of programs to work with. We work with a lot of investors where we can broker or do it in-house and help you guys out. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.